Hi, my Beekman Eagles. Welcome to Miss Woodward Reads. Today I'm thinking about summer. When I think about summer, I think about swimming. I think about our beautiful Lake Champlain. I think about water. So today I'm reading a book called Water, Land by Christy Hale. Now this is a really great nonfiction book. So nonfiction means there's true facts and information in this book. This is a great book about different bodies of water and different pieces of land and what we call them and what they do, what their job is. Water, land, lake. Now we know a very beautiful lake, Lake Champlain. I like this book because do you see the hole? Cool. Turns into an island. An island is a little piece of land surrounded completely by water. A bay. A bay is a little piece of water surrounded mostly by land. A cape. Not the cape you wear. This is a different type of cape, like Cape Cod, Cape Hatteras. A strait. Do you see how it's a little piece of water with land on both sides, so it connects two different bodies of water? An isthmus is a piece of land that separates bodies of water but connects two different pieces of land. System of lakes, like the Finger Lakes. That's a system of lakes, different lakes, but they're near in proximity, which means they're close to each other. Archipelago. What's an archipelago? Think about a chain of islands surrounded by water. A gulf. A gulf is a small area of water surrounded mostly by land, but it's bigger than a bay. A peninsula. A peninsula is a small body of land surrounded mostly by water. Now this is the end of the book, and the end of the book is really cool because it talks about all the different types of land formations and bodies of water that we saw in the book. So a lake is a body of water surrounded by land. A bay is a body of water almost surrounded by land. It is usually smaller than a gulf. A strait is a narrow body of water connecting two larger bodies of water. A system of lakes is a group of lakes near one another. A gulf is a body of water almost surrounded by land. It is usually larger than a bay. Then down here we have an island. An island is a piece of land surrounded completely by water. A cape is a piece of land that extends into the water. It is usually smaller than a peninsula. An isthmus is a narrow strip of land connecting two larger pieces of land. An archipelago is a group of islands near one another. We think about the Hawaiian Islands, that would be an archipelago. A peninsula is a piece of land almost surrounded by water. It is usually larger than a cape. Some of these are very similar to one another, but depends on their size and how big they are, or how small they are. Now look at this. This is the coolest part of this book, I think. It tells you all different land forms and water forms and different types of islands and lakes and capes and bays and isthmuses and straits and systems of lakes. And if you open it up, it shows you where you can find these things on a map of the entire world. And it tells you right here, here's a list. Different types of lakes. Are we on there? No, but we know that Lake Champlain is a beautiful lake that we live on. We should be on this list. Different types of bays. The Bay of Bengal. That's really cool. Where is that? Where's the Bay of Bengal? It's the northeastern part of the Indian Ocean and the largest bay in the world. Did you know that? Well, now you do. Now let's look at different islands. Corsica a French island in the Mediterranean Sea, or Easter Island. That is such a cool island. It's a Chilean island in the southeastern Pacific Ocean. Madagascar, a lot of us know that island from the movie. An island nation off the southeast coast of Africa. And then we talked about the Hawaiian Islands. It's not on this list, but that is also a group of islands right there. This book is so cool. There are so many interesting facts and information in this book. And if you really like it, during your library time, you can see Miss Banker and check it out. Thanks, my Beekman Town Eagles.